I built 6 fully automated business systems in 2 days. I'm not a developer. I have no idea how to code. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can replicate it. I'm Max, I run an AI creative studio, and a few days ago I discovered Cloud Code, which is basically an AI agent that lives inside of your MacBook. You just speak to it in plain English and it builds you real software that you can actually use. Not toy apps, not demos, actual systems that run your business. Here's what we're covering. Number 1, a full accounting system that scrapes all of my emails. Number 2, an automated podcast generator from voice memos. Number 3, a LinkedIn comment engine that writes 40 comments a day. Number 4, teaching Cloud Code to learn software by watching my screen. Number 5, a complete YouTube content pipeline. And number 6, by far the wildest thing, so stay around to the end, a cold email outreach system that finds brands, researches them, and writes full emails for me. Let us begin. So the first thing I built after downloading Cloud Code, I just wanted to see what kind of stuff it could do, is trying to track all of my expenses and generating or building an entire accounting system. It connects to my Gmail and my personal email. It scans every single invoice and receipt I've ever received. It pulls out the vendor name, the amount, the date, the category, and it dumps everything fully automatically into a Notion database. Before this, I was manually going through my emails for my accountant. Hours of work, if not even days of work. Now it just runs. Number 2, the podcast generator. So I just record voice memos on my phone, just random thoughts, ideas, things I'm working on. Cloud Code takes those voice memos, transcribes them, puts them through a content machine. So it basically analyzes what kind of brain dumps that I've talked about in my voice memos, what kind of content ideas can I fetch from that, and builds out entire content ideas, entire scripts from those voice memos. And all that just from rambling into my phone. So once I've built the basic content generation machine, I was like, wait a minute, I have a $26 a month subscription to 11 Labs, right? The tool where you can basically clone your voice. I was wondering, can I connect 11 Labs to Cloud Code so it actually generates entire podcasts for me? And the next thing I know is I look at my MacBook, see an MP3 file, open it, and it's me talking about, well, whatever I talked about, but as a full-fledged content piece that I can use as a voiceover in videos. So basically, voice memo goes in, finished podcast comes out. It's as easy as that. The LinkedIn commenter tool. I built a system that writes 40 LinkedIn comments every single morning. It scrapes posts from a pool of 100 creators in my niche. It scores each post by how fresh it is, how much visibility it has, and how relevant the creator is. Then it writes a comment for each one of those posts in my style of communication, so like how I speak and how I text. And here's the thing, you genuinely cannot tell it's AI. And as I said, I was reading those comments and I was like, damn, this is actually a good comment. Like this is, I would be proud of posting something like that. Teaching AI how to use software. Now this one is very experimental, but I just wanted to see, does it work? Like, can AI actually look at my screen, take control of my MacBook and learn how to use software? The answer, once again, is yes. So I started teaching Cloud Code how to use Higgsfield, which is, as many of you know, an AI generation tool that I use every single day to generate actual client work. The way it works is that Cloud can look at your screen. So it can take control of your browser and start taking screenshots and looking around where something is. Basically, anything you can do on a MacBook, Cloud Code can do as well. It can see what's happening and you can walk it through with a workflow. Number 5, the YouTube content engine. Every Monday now, I run one command and my entire week of content gets planned ahead. It does the keyword research. It does what kind of hot topics are currently trending, what kind of content is evergreen content, what kind of content is currently missing on YouTube, especially in the AI space. Then it picks the best topics, writes full production-ready scripts, and pushes everything into a Notion content pipeline. Number 6, the cold outreach system. Last one, and this one actually makes me money, is a fully automated email outreach system that sends out emails for brands with one click. It finds brands on Instagram and the web that match my ideal client. It scores them, and the good ones go into a Notion CRM. And then when I'm ready, it does the deep research on every single brand. It scrapes their website, it analyzes their Instagram content, it looks at what kind of visuals they're posting, and then it writes a fully personalized email sequence for each brand specifically tailored at their needs. Every email is under 80 words, first name only, no attachments, no links, nothing that seems like spam. And now I went from spending entire days on doing research and writing emails to having Cloud Code do everything for me. This frees up so much time you cannot even start to imagine it. So let me just put this into perspective. In 2 days, with zero coding knowledge, with zero prior knowledge as to how Cloud Code works, I built a full accounting system, a podcast generator, a LinkedIn comment writer, and a cold email outreach machine. All of this is running right here on my MacBook, locally. Most of it is free or nearly free. Most of it is free or nearly free, so I'm only paying for Apollo for the data scraping when it comes to cold emails, and 11 Labs. So yeah, that's Claude Code. Like if you're a creative, a freelancer, or a one-person business, this is how you stop doing busy work and start to scale. Subscribe if you want to see more of these builds. Comment down below what you want to see next on this channel. I most likely will do some tutorials on how to actually set it up, like on screen. Subscribe if you want to see more of these builds, and drop a comment if you want to see a deep dive on anything that I just explained. See you on the next one. Bye.